Regular ER verbs. How to conjugate in French.
In this tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to conjugate regular ER verbs in French. So, in French, there are three main types of regular verbs. There are verbs that end with ER, verbs that end with IR, and verbs that end with RE. Here, we are going to take a look at how to conjugate regular ER verbs. So, for example, you have the verb parler. This is called the infinitive. To conjugate a regular ER verb, you first take off the ER, and then you add a new ending. So if your subject is je, you take off the ER from the verb and you add an E. If your subject is tu, you take off the ER from the verb and you add ES. If your subject is nous, you take off the ER and add ONS. If your subject is vous, you take off the ER and add EZ. If your subject is anything besides je, tu, nous, or vous, you're going to add an E for singular or an ENT for plural. So here we have je blank avec maman. Parler is the infinitive. Take off the ER and you put PARL in the blank. Look at your subject. Your subject is je. Come to the chart, and what goes with je? You would add an E. Next you have tu blank la pizza. Manger is the infinitive. Take off the ER. You put MANG in the blank. The subject is tu. Look at your chart, and you would add an ES. Next, you have nous blank à la maison. Regarder is the verb, the infinitive. You take off the ER, and you put in the blank REGARD. The subject is nous. Look at your chart. You add ONS. Next, vous blank la grande maison. Aimer is the verb. Take off the ER. You write AIM. The subject is vous. Look at the chart. You would add EZ. Next, you have la fille blank bien. Chanter is the verb. Take off the ER. Put CHANT. Look at the subject. It's la fille. So here you have je, tu, nous, or vous. The subject is la fille. So you would choose either singular or plural. Because it's not je, tu, nous, or vous. The subject is la fille. So la fille is singular because you don't have any S's. You would add an E. And then you have Eric et Anna blank danser. Danser is the infinitive, the verb. Take off the ER, put DANS. Your subject is Eric et Anna. Here you have je, tu, nous, or vous. And the choice is none of these. So you'd either choose singular or plural. And since Eric et Anna are more than one person, you'd make it plural, ENT. I hope this helps.